now since humankind have looked up into the sky and wondered. Have you ever imagined about life outside the earth? Hello everyone, this is Kavya Rao from Grade 7 RPS Public School Dharuhera, and today I'm here to convey a video message on the topic of what if there were life on other planets too? Imagine living on Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, or any other planet we don't know yet. Just think about aliens, UFOs, space-hiding machines. Just think, they all can be real. If there were life outside our planet, the travel limitations would not be just limited among countries, but it would expand to planets. We would not be just friends with Earthlings, but with Juvians, Unions, Lunans, and what not. The highest authority we know yet would not be just UN, but UW, which stands for United Worlds. Maybe our Earth would be the most advanced among them all, but maybe the opposite, the least advanced. But this time, the burden of our students will increase because they just not have to learn geography of their own planet, but of other planets too. We humans have always looked forward to find such planets which sustain life like Earth. But the consequences of doing so can be both good or bad. We all may help each other to develop, or there are chances of conflict between us all. We all may try to conquer each other's land. But we should not forget humanity and to maintain peace till we can. It is obvious that if we find another planet which sustains life like Earth, the Earth will not be the unique planet, but we love our Earth, and that's the special thing about it. So I don't want my speech to be a sermon on you, so I would like to rest my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.